Just thinking I should want that. Right. So I'm in the process of moving. Hold on, my cat's throwing up on my chair. Be right back. Mama, get on the floor. Get on the floor. God damn. Ugh. Like, why do you have to do that on the chair, honey? Come on now. Really? Hey, hey, hey. All right, just cleaned up cat throw up. Okay. So I just added this world container, which I think, I don't know why it's not printing out that it's whatever. And so now we have these different tile map layers, and each layer has a bottom layer and a top layer. So I'm just trying to rewrite this code so that the container kind of handles some of the things that the bottom layer was doing previously. Fresh cup of coffee. Life is good. All right. So let's run it and see what crashes here. And that'll kind of give me a baseline of where I need to fix my code. So move attempted. I think we just want. I think we want this top one to handle that, and then they're going to pass it down to the current layer. And keep that in there. Do this. Now we don't have access to the player, so it's just going to be you know, we might do okay, so we're going to do this needs to be on ready. I think we can put that back. And then just do that. Instead of doing that, we can do this and that and that and that. So we have that reference. Split them up. Okay, so that's fine. Here we init the jump. Oh, I might even put that in a different code. Init danger. I think danger is going to be handled in here as well. So we have to call that. Player. I just like doing this because it makes the code easier to follow. So you're not doing that anymore. I don't even know. Do you need this reference? Okay, maybe. Connect actors. You can keep that. That's fine. We're gonna have to change how we handle that. Get some Java, some coffee. Some capable shadows, that's fine. Cats, stay off the curtains. Tell you what, let's just see where this crashes now. Floors, floor index 0. Valid get index 0 on base array. Are we not? Oh, this is wrong. Can't call get children. You know what? We're gonna change this. I'm just gonna do this. I like doing that for any node references that I'm getting on Ready. I picked that up in a tutorial and it just kind of stuck for me. Gotta change it one more time. So let's see what crashes now. Holy crap. Well, did it lock up? I can't tell. I guess not, but we're we don't see. Okay, top layer relative. Okay, that's a problem. I think we're gonna change this to be for all of these, and then we're gonna go and copy that. Just so it's consistent. Alright, so we're still getting any movement. Interesting. So I'm feeling it's in how we do change floor. We're on floor 0. No, that's not right. CM floor index. So I think let's do this. If that equals 1, we're going to do that first. So that should, do I have to put that back? Oh no, we're good. I think we have to do change for, I'm just going to do 0. So if it's 0, we're not going in either direction. It looks like it's running. Oh, visibility is off. So change for 0. Floor index, if we're, I think it has to be, it's going to equal under, so we'll put us at floor 1. Yeah, I can't move, that's understandable. So you're connecting the player, you need these, that's what all those red arrows are. And so we're just going to send, what does the player send through when they do that? I think it's just their pixel position, yeah. So let's see. We're just going to pass that down to the current layer. So floor index. Let's do more coffee. We're gonna just write the top. going to be a this. I could set it to a variable, but I like having less variables to keep track of. And so, I mean, we could let's do var current floor. So we might need to be changing that up more. Might have to use it more, so that just makes sense. I mean, we use it down here too, so actually we can put it up here. That way it's good to go for all of them. And here we just need to do that, and then it's going to be like try to move player, and I'll do that. And so we go in here, we're going to change this to try to move player. Oh, we need their movement. Does the player send that up to? Yeah. So basically, player's going to bounce that up to the world container, and world container is going to send that down. I think that's just. It seems pretty logical at this point. And so try to move player. And that will maybe work. Okay, that's not right. That's weird. Did I change something? Let's see what happened here. Get current floor. Floor is floor index. So current floor. It should be main floor. Yeah. I'll tell us what's going on here. Okay, that's, oh, whoops. This has to be floors floor. Yeah, because, oops, actually it's floors floor I. Yeah, that's the one place we didn't want to. So we can actually, we can put that in there. So we don't need it elsewhere. Might as well keep it clean. I'm just gonna, I mean, we can do this. It's just for debugging. So, okay, we can move. There's collision. Now the real test is if these floor transitions work. They don't. So I'm gonna have to think about why that would be. So you get that. Let's take a look. So yeah, those are correct. So let's take a look at try to move player. So that looks good. I think we're gonna pop these back in so we can figure out what's happening. All right, so colliding with base layer, good. Let's see. Okay, so we're getting that transition. That's very good. And so we just have to figure out why. Oh, because this relies on wait, is this right? Name equals top transition. Oh no, we're down here. So for floor transition, I just have to connect that signal. And so currently main is doing that. But we're going to have like this stuff. Let me think. Let's see. Transition started. So I think we're going to keep that. You do not need music anymore. I think you have music. It's probably in the up here. So what we want, unless I want the layers to have their own music, I don't think we want that. So we're going to take that out. This goes up here now. Do that. So basement, underground floor, music. All right, where was I? Main. So I think that's okay. We just have to like duplicate these. So basically we're taking these signals. Need these two. And we're just gonna float those up. And I think that's the way to do it. Why not? Who cares? Well, I could rethink it. If we look at like the battle one, let's see. See, we could have. I think we can just do this in that top one. We got to delete that from there, and that way we don't have to have that in there. And we don't need that. So do connect actors first. So oops. So, and then this is going to be, we actually have to do for, do I need I anywhere? No, for, we can use I, whatever. For I in size, I have to put range, I always forget that. Not always, but. And then this is just going to be what, like floors I. No, let's do. And that's better. Let me just. Or we can do this. So we're getting. This is actually going to be. Floor dot. Get children. So we're getting all the actors. I actually call this. I don't know. Screw it. So if they have a battle cohort, we want them to connect. And then I think we can just take this one. I think we're actually going to use both of these here. And plop this down here. Danger, we have a knit danger. I need to change that. We're going to have. Let me look at danger. So now we can instance danger. Danger is also a scene. Oh, so we have to do a pack scene for danger. So me init danger. We don't need that. We're gonna do. You know, I think we're gonna make it regardless. And so it's gonna be like add child danger. And but then in here we're gonna do export bar danger. So by default that's off, and we're gonna do that. And we also want to do danger.active equals danger. So we're connecting that either way. That's a temporary. Hey, hold on, I gotta check my cats. Hey, can you stop going on the curtains, please? Please, 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 please. Thank you. Okay. So yeah, that one's done. So main can keep these. And this is actually always going to be a world container, I think. Cyclical. Okay, you can be a node for now. I don't care. Just look at more things in here. Player. I think this is another thing that we moved into here, right? I'm looking. Yeah. So this has to come out. Actually, we're gonna just copy that. But this will stay, and it'll just be called try player. And here, player move attempted. It'll be that should work. Right, so it's pretty much the same. It's just the signals are going up to the world container, and then they send it down to whoever needs it. And so this holds all the different layers, as you can see there. Anything else that needs to be moved out? It's nice because it really slimmed up this script. I mean, especially when I have functions collapsed. Let's see, we need that. I think, yeah, we still need that. I don't know if we're just using it there. Yeah, let's just get rid of that. If we're not using it, why not? Jump count, all of these look good. Battle, are you using this? Nope. I think, are you using this? Do you need battle? I think we changed it so that the main handles the battle, so yeah, we don't need that. This will get changed eventually. Floor transition. Oops. Let's check you out. I think you're fine. Yeah, that might be all the refactoring we have to do for this, which is pretty nice. But we'll see what happens here. Okay, so we're getting that. I'm going to turn off. I don't need all of these prints. They're kind of flooding. So we can turn this off. I really just want to see this one. Let me clear that. So, colliding with transition. Did we not? Perhaps we didn't connect that. So we have to do 4. Yeah, we have to. Let's take a look. Connect actors, connect player. We're going to start by connect tile. So it's going to be 4. I think we just do the same thing here. But instead of getting the entities, we're just going to do 4.connect. It's going to be we can just do that. What does that send out? I have to change this to like scene transition. I think we are. Because it's going to be a little more specific. So you have to get, we want both of these connected. That's all we have to do for that. Maybe like that. Just call it that. So 4 transitions. So you get, I have to look at main. So we're just passing, it's a string and the cell. Could just copy and paste that, but call this scene transition started. So main receives that. We're going to change this to world container. And I think that's going to have to change to world container. Let me just update the name on that. I like that better. And scene transition started. I think. Okay. That's just temporary. I think our transitions should work. It seems like we're all connected. No. We're not even getting the transition there. have to figure out why that is. So change floor, we want to print what's going on here. I think we want to print, maybe just print that at the end so we know what the heck's happening. So it's not getting received, so we gotta check this out. Floor transition started. Okay, so they're getting that. Are we not connecting it? Floor and floors. Transition started. Just trying to figure out how far we're getting. Okay, so it's not receiving. Let's see. I don't know, I'm not seeing any obvious issues here. Lighting the transition. That matches. So we're getting what? 1 means we're going up. I don't know why we're not getting it when we're going down. See if we get it there. Get it there, it's just not doing anything with it. Is transition. Weird. Oh my gosh. Ew, God. Oh my God, I just threw up so much. What is going on? Oh, dear God. It's -1. We get 1 there. I don't understand that. Oh. Oh. I know why. This is incorrecto. So we're using -1 for the transition down. So we need to send, here's what we're going to do. Do none. It should work now. Oh, I gotta update this. But the problem is that we're not getting those Like, okay, we're getting that now, right? So we know we're getting that. We just don't know why we're not getting that. Emit signal. It's possible the connect floors is not working right. Because we're not calling it. Duh. I'm obviously a professional. What, that's not working? Connect tile map layers? Okay. Let's call it connect floors. Okay, I think hopefully everything's covered now. Oh my gosh. So there's an issue with moving the player, obviously. So we're going to put you closer to the action. I'm going to run this again, see what it looks like. Let's try this one. So that looks pretty much as I want it to, except our player seems to be what, like, oh, they're just getting moved. Okay, I think I see the problem. Right, world container. So let's look at what we're doing. We're moving them, we're taking them, putting them on the current floor. But we have to update current floor. After we get the floor index. I mean, really, let's do it like that. So let's reload. But the problem is we have to actually go to current floor.get node actors. So I think this will work. Yeah. Wow. We did it. Looks like everything is fixed. We go back, we go down. Here we go to the basement. Oops. What's going on there? So interesting. The player is invalid at some point. So we have to figure out why that's happening. So it doesn't like the basement for some reason. Let me test the upstairs again. So let's figure out what would be happening there. Do I have like, that looks good. World container. Let's see what we're doing. Player.get parent. Weird. All right, so what we need to do is go to the basement and check our remote tree. It's fine as long as we're not moving. So let's see. Oh, remote. Let's see. They have the actor or the player. I can check globals, see what player looks like. And it's the same as what's in here. But when I try to move players to position target on base nil, try to move. Are we doing that on the wrong floor? Get current floor. Floor index. We need to print less. We can hide that. That's the only thing I really want to see printed right now. So we can also get rid of there's a print in here, I think. Yeah, right here. Get that crap out of here. Alright, so we go to second floor. Now we're on first floor. Right, 2. Actually, let's print in here. We want to print the real floor index. That's all right. So yeah, that is 2. That's 1. 0. I don't understand. Why would that happen? When we go to the basement, it's fine when we go to the second floor. That breaks in there? What? What the hell? Current floor cluster. Let me see something. I got a basement. In remote. Like, player shows up there. Getting null. I just can't. I don't understand why that would happen in the basement, but not the second floor. They're both the same, right? This is a new one for me. When in doubt, try that first. I don't think that'll help in this scenario, though. What is it called? Valid. Will be instances valid? Is instance valid? If not, I don't know. What the F? Like, why? Why are you not getting? It's like you're not getting. Oh, I know why. Because you're grabbing that reference before. Okay, I'm with you. It's going to be null. And what we want to do, go and delete this crap. We're just going to do it in here. That's way too far over. So we're also going to do for.player. Because this assumes like we've already put all the floors in, so now we can make that reference right. So about that crap. I meant to, that's supposed to be filled in. All right, great. So we have working floors. That's okay because normally The text box would have to be valid. I think we do if levels. So it won't error out now. I'll just print that out. Okay. I have to redo my world map to fit with this. And the cave. So pretty much what do? We just need a world container. Add container. That should be fine. Make the scene root. I think world map, I mean, just needs one layer for now. We're not doing danger automatic. So we can just toggle that on. We can put the music in there. Might as well get that. I think we use, was it I don't remember what I had. I'm looking. I don't see any of these. So no music for now. So that's a world map. That's good. We have to redo the cave. Give them a world container, make scene root. And so that should work fine. So we'll put danger. We'll keep danger off. So now with this new setup, let's change this to main level, main floor. What do we call it? Let's try and keep it consistent. Yeah, main floor. We're going to call this main. Which reminds me, this needs to be a world map. Do main floor top layer. Tile map top. That's good. So theoretically now I could add multiple layers to the cave. Well, that doesn't look right. You gotta figure out what's going on there. Change floor 0. Stoop. We can turn that on for now. Figure out why that's not. Okay, so main floor is not visible. I minus underground floor count, but you don't have. Real floor index less than or equal to? Yeah. That might be right. I don't know. Check collision, top layer. Oh. Let's copy that because we need it for the cave too. Okay. That looks good. What's the cave broken now? What the heck? What the heck? Let's try it again and I'll check the scene remote. World map. Okay, so we're not getting out of the world map. Which reminds me, I want to do do the same thing for let's try just running Sven's Grove Cave by itself. So it works just not when we do a transition. Get current floor. Oh, shoot. So here, down here. So I think we need to do if transition. I need this. We need this to override. How do I check if there's something there? So it would be if this has that. Top layer collision equals solid. Then this means we have that. Else, we're going to do that. Scene transition. That should be good. F. Delicate index. Oh. I think if we do. This is janky, but should work. Oh, it's this. That's the problem. This needs to go there, and we do. Right, so. I'm going to do the same thing. Sven's Grove Cave. All transitions. You should have them though. Base dictionary. Maybe we messed up down here. I don't think we need these anymore. Just get rid of them. Then we can delete. Make this tile. Then we can just do that. These double keys are annoying me. I can do that. I can replace that. So now you're not doing anything. That's wonderful. Map layer bomb. We have to replace this again. What a hole. Targets. Let's see how far we're getting here. We're getting to that. That's great. equals this, then we teleport else. It's possible we're just not sending that out, right? Alright, so we're getting that. So world container. Let's see, scene transition started. Looks good. Dun, dun, dun. That's we're still getting this. I want to make sure it's on that one. Okay, so we get that. Let's see what main's doing with it. Where could main be going wrong? Worlds, target scene name, and let's see. So you, are we not connecting you right? Scene transition started. Oh, no, that's all right. A little recursion here. We'll container battle initiated. Target cell, target scene. Are we doing that right? Okay, that could be part of the problem. Map layer bottom, init player and follower positions. So you're just gonna pass that down. Actually, let's view var. So let's do some floors. We'll call it init floors. Or better. So so main doesn't have to do that anymore. That's fine. Just comment that out. All right, can we do it? It's weird that we spawned on that wall. Oh, I forgot to set. Active scene. Should do that. No? Target scene, not target cell. Ready you. Let's see what's going on here. Uh, I don't understand why it's not running. That's if we're in main. Just get rid of that. And we're doing it floors. That way I can run these worlds on their own. We're still not getting that signal. Let's see. Oh, duh. Oh my gosh, what a goofball. No wonder it's not working. We're not in, we're not loading main. All right, it should work now. There we go. That looks pretty good. Our chest doesn't work anymore though. I think we need to put, I'm gonna take this and it's gonna be, what do we want to call that? Tile transitions. This is just going to be I don't think the top one needs it, does it? This is also going to be, this needs to be one ready because it's, we're going to need get parent. So maybe we do that. Let's do that, get rid of that crap. Next, take this. Actually, that doesn't work. We have to, so we can actually, oh, whatever. We need to do, oh my gosh, my brain. Let's just undo a whole bunch here. just keeping that for now. On the top, I don't think that'll work. Because the parent of that is going to be, I think it needs to be like, let's do that. Oh wait, shit. Where's my language? That's not going to work. That has to be get our owner, I think. We'll find out. So tile transitions is going to be this. Which I'm pretty sure all, I think since we're always going to have some kind of transition, but this can just be that. Oops, I gotta go to main. So that does work. Let's see. Money looks good. Let's go check our town. Beep-a-doop-a-doop-a-doo. Okay, so we're on the wrong floor. It looks like we're showing the second floor. So if we go not to main, we're here now. Am I calling change floor at the beginning? So second floor visible. Real floor index minus floor index. So it's 1. Oh. So we're skipping that code. For iron range, floors that size. So this would be like 0 minus 1. So it's the basement dot visible equals minus 1 less than floor index. That's true. Maybe we want less than. Maybe that was the problem. But then that doesn't work. We have to start that's the problem. We do want less than or equals, but we need this beginning to be underground. We do underground floor count 2, 5, 4. That should work. Make sure the cave works while we're up here. I can exit out of that early. That's nice. Okay, it's still not working. In range. Speed minus, that's why. It might make sense to call it like bottom floor level, but we'll just stick with that for now. Just ran the wrong code. We want to do main. I think this will work. No, what? What? Weird, it looks like it's being called twice. There's not a hidden transition. I need to make that. Alright, what the heck's happening? Second floor visible. Basement. It's like looping around? What? What? So -1. Well, no, that makes sense. There's not going to be. That's why it's looping around. So -1 is less than or equal to 4 index. So ultimately, we're going to have, what, 2 here? 0, 1, 2. Let me confirm that. So we have 0, 0, 1, 2. And this should just always be 1 less. So here will be 0 minus 0. So 0. I don't really get why my logic doesn't work there. Then I really can't get used to this keyboard completely. Floor 0.show and else do this. That should be a decent hotfix. So things like the world map should load. Now this is working as intended. Text boxes work. We have floors. Go off the floors. Cool. See if our battle transition works from let's see, I'm just gonna skip through. Nice. Looks like our fade's maybe not happening quite as well as I want. Obviously, let's hope for the heal. We're gonna get some fire, get some heal. Ooh, these effects are cool. I don't know why we were popping that heal off even after the battle's over. Yeah, something's not right with our fade effect, but we'll figure that out. Put a note. I'm gonna close other tabs, clean that up. Wee 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 wee. So I wonder, can we run these scenes standalone? Do. Alright. That way I can still open the chest and see all the text. And I think our floor should work, just not the exterior transitions. So that makes sense. What's this there? Target cell shadowing. Alright, cool. I think that's pretty good for now. How long have I been gone? Yeah, I've got to go do some other work. But I'll probably be on for a little bit later.